Hello and welcome to the online Freckle Education Professional Development course. My name is Tamara Ballard and I am your online instructor. You can email me at any time at Tamara, Tamara, .Ballard, Ballard, at apsk12.org. Freckle Education is a differentiated Web 2.0 learning platform for students in grades K through 12. We are going to click Sign In, click Teacher. Since we are APS employees, we're going to click Sign In with Google and just select your employee email address. This course is designed to provide knowledge and instruction about Freckle Education to instructional staff. We are going to begin by clicking on the word roster, which you see on your left if it's not already open. Click Add New Classes. As you see, I already have 3 classes. If you teach more than one class, more than one grade level, that is awesome, because you will be able to add as many classes that you want and be specific and differentiate those classes as well. So we're going to create a class. I am going to show you, I'm going to differentiate and show you 3 different ways on how to create a roster for your students. The first way is to manually, by adding your class name, click the grade level, and you're going to click Add. You'll add the names, grade level, and if they speak other languages, click Spanish for support. If not, keep it at English. Click Add and continue on. When you're done, click Finish Creating Class. If not, here is the second way. You'll go back up to the top, Class Details. You already have your class name. You already have your grade level. By Student Roster, you're going to click here to copy and paste from Spreadsheet. In order to copy and paste from Spreadsheet, you must have the columns first name, last name, and grade. Here you should have the names under each column. Copy the cells, copy and paste here in the box. When you're done, click Next. Now the final way is to import from Google Classroom by clicking here. Click Sign In with Google. Please select the Google Classroom you wish to use. Scroll down, click Next. You will see the class name. You will see the grade level. And here is where you can edit. There may be students in other grade levels in your class, so feel free to put different grades in and also change to Spanish if some speak Spanish. All right, So now we're going to click Finish Creating Class. As simple as that, you are finished. You have created your first Freckle roster class. Let's get started. Now, we are going to add a co-teacher. So go to the class, and I use Freckle here. Class options. Scroll down. Share class with a teacher. Click. Because you signed in with your APS email address, you should see your school. You can select all, select none, and just pick certain students you would wish to share your class with. Click on the teacher's name. And click Share. And now your co-teacher has to accept the shared students. So make sure you share that with your co-teacher. So let's move on to add assignments by clicking here to the left. Please select the class. Right beside the class Freckle, you'll see letters and numbers. This is called the student code. The students will need to remember this code and also for yourself as well. And this code is used for all subjects that the student is in Freckle class roster. So make sure that they know their student code. I'm going to click on the subject. I'm going to use ELA, and I'm going to add an assignment. I will click ELA. Here, you can pause the video and browse around to see all of the assignments and what they have to offer. It's very differentiated on different levels, and some are specifically for what the students needs. If some students are needing RTI, more interventions, this is a great, Decodables is a great resource for that. I'm going to click Articles and Stories. I'm going to scroll down, and here I see over 1,000 articles and stories. But I want to be specific because I teach first grade. So here I'm going to filter my reading level to about third grade because some of my students are strong readers. ER stands for early reader. Domains, I'm going to select the specific domain, which is the standard. I can select more than one if I wish. So here I have 179 articles. So I'll scroll down. I'm going to look at the levels, and I will base my selection from there. Here are the two standards, informative, and it's a fable. I look at the levels, ER, early reader, first grade, B, second grade, A. The preview article level will always show the highest level. You can scroll down and see the passage, and there is one picture, differentiated, 1B, a few sentences per page. You have to click, but you have more visual aids, more pictures. Also, the questions. There are 3 questions. It's also differentiated as well. Early reader, you can click here and it will read to your scholars. The higher the reading level, more questions it will be. So it doesn't matter the preview article level. I'll click assignment. I'll click assign. I have my class. I'll scroll down. Now I have a choice to select all, select none, or I can even be specific. I'm going to select all. At the moment, it shows early reader. So I will differentiate the text. And I will click assign. Here, I can customize the text. The numbers can be confusing, so I'll just remove it. Here is the link. Copy the link and save the changes. Click Got it. The link that you just copied, you're going to go to your Google Classroom. Here's my classroom, Freckle. I'm going to go to classwork and I'm going to create an assignment. Here, I'm just going to type Freckle assignment. And I'll just write a quick note to my students. Click add, click link, and paste the link here. If I only have 8 students in my class, I will keep it as all students. Now I will click assign, or I can schedule when I would like to assign. Let's go back. So now I see where I have created an assignment. I'm going to view a report from a previous class. Here, you can see the students' names, the time completed, the status, their reading level, and accuracy. I'm going to view report. Click student activity. Here I can see where some students. A student did not do well, so I'm going to review the report. And I can see how the student answered the questions. I'm going to go back out to assignment. Now, this is the end of the online Freckle Education PD. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to email me. Please pause the video and watch it over for any more support. Thank you and bye-bye.